Have you seen those crazy videos of cars trying to climb ridiculously steep stairs? Well, one of those attempts just went viral for all the wrong reasons on November 12th. Chinese automaker Chery decided to take on the legendary Tianmen Mountain heavenly ladder, and let's just say it didn't go as planned. Their brand new Fulwin X3L test vehicle was attempting to conquer the 999 near vertical steps when it lost traction and started sliding backwards. Videos shot by tourists on the scene show the car sliding down the massive staircase before crashing into a protective railing, completely smashing it. It's a pretty dramatic sight. One eyewitness reported the car just sat there, stuck, for 2 hours after the crash. So, what is this heavenly ladder? It's a famous tourist attraction in China. A staircase with 999 steps leading up to the stunning Tianmen Cave. It's nearly 300 meters long, with a vertical drop of 150 meters. The steps are wet, narrow, and have an average gradient of 45 degrees, with some parts being even steeper than 60 degrees. It is so intense that it has been described as a route that even hardcore imported off-road vehicles rarely dare to challenge the vehicle in question. Was the Chery Fulwin X3L a new model that had just launched in September? Chery's own executives had been hyping up this Tianmen Mountain challenge on social media, talking about how it would test the vehicle's power, handling, and four-wheel drive system to the absolute limit. It seems the limit was found following the incident, which caused the tourist spot to be closed for 2 days. Chery released an official apology. They explained that their preliminary investigation pointed to equipment failure. Apparently, a shackle on a safety rope's anchor point unexpectedly came loose. This caused the safety rope itself to get tangled around the car's right wheel, which cut off the power and led to the vehicle sliding down and hitting the railing. Thankfully, Chery confirmed that no one was injured in the incident and no damage was done to the natural environment. They admitted to underestimating the risks and having oversights in detailed control when planning the event, especially since they chose to do it at such a public and cherished scenic area. The company has taken full responsibility, expressing deep regret and promising to repair all the damages and cover all compensation costs. It is a stark reminder of what can happen when marketing stunts push the boundaries a little too far. What do you guys think? Was this a necessary test of the car's ability, or a reckless publicity stunt that was bound to go wrong? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And if you want to stay updated on stories like this, make sure to subscribe. See you next time.